We are Glacial Garden Railways. We're located in southeast Wisconsin. We've been a club for 10 years. We set the layout up at the Train Fest here in Milwaukee, at the Mad City Train Show in Madison, Wisconsin. In August, we set the layout up at the zoo, Milwaukee County Zoo, for a zoo a la carte. And we play with trains for 4 days while they open up the zoo for all its members and other county people. It's a lot of fun there with the kids. We have kids come and they don't want to leave. The parents say, "Come on, let's go look at the animals." No, they want to stay and watch the trains. So that's fun.
One thing I noticed that's unique about your layout is that you have a yard in the middle, but it actually looks like you could run this as two separate loops.
Yes, we do. Especially at the zoo, we'll have 4 trains going, 2 on the inside loop and 2 on the outside loop. And it makes it a lot of fun for the people to watch because there's a lot of action. Our layout has evolved over the last 10 years. We started with table height of 40-some inches with PVC legs. We figured out that was starting to crack and the tables weren't working, so we lowered it down to a standard card table height, and makes it a lot easier for the kids to see it. It's at eye level for most of them. And the parents appreciate that because they don't have to carry them around. About 30 modules. We were here on Friday at 8:30 and we were up and had a train running by noon. There was a lot more details to put in. Obviously some of the people can't get here at 8:30, so someone comes at 1 o'clock to put in their buildings and stuff, that type of thing. But basically we're up and running in about 3.5 hours. Over the years, we've changed a number of the modules, the different sceneries we have. We try to keep it fresh so that people don't say, "Oh, we've seen that the last 5 years." We have the grain elevator is new, the logging operation is newer. We have some badges we hand out to some of the kids when they go through. It's a little hard here because there's so many kids.